Welcome to Vox Weather. Before we look at your Friday weather forecast, let's look at our synoptic analysis earlier this week on Wednesday. Remember, I mentioned this coastal though. It resulted in a continuous onshore flow with torrential downpours on Wednesday overnight into Thursday. 114 millimeters fell over Ntinzini, and Richards Bay broke its record for the highest rainfall amount in just 24 hours, and more than 100 millimeters bucketed down up until Thursday morning. But what's the weather look like on Friday? Let's see. Starting with our synoptic analysis, we have a reaching high, bringing in some fog the morning for KwaZulu-Natal and light rain along the eastern escarpment as well as into the low veld of Limpopo. And then from the afternoon, thunderstorms expected a little bit more eastwards over northwest. This includes Gauteng, the Free State, and over parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Eastern Cape. And then taking the clock all the way to this weekend, we've got a cold front making its way to the Western Cape, expected to make landfall on Saturday morning. But for this Friday, drizzle expected along the escarpment, morning rain for the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and then thunderstorms likely over the Northern Cape, northwest. This includes Gauteng and the Free State, becoming scattered over Lesotho, the southern Drakensberg, as well as the surrounding areas in the Eastern Cape. In the Western Cape, still at that onshore southerly wind expected, but warming up into the afternoon, 27 degrees in Cape Town. Another sunny and extremely hot today for the interior, 37 in Worcester as well as in Lanesburg. Later, a westerly wind blowing up in the Karoo. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires in Beaufort West as well as Graaff-Reinet. Mid-20s for the southern coastline, and winds are blowing easterly to northeasterly between Port St. John's and Port Alfred. And then after a warm to very warm day, isolated thunderstorms expected over the interior, becoming scattered over Mthatha as well as Matatial. In KwaZulu-Natal, partly cloudy skies with foggy patches the morning, 28 degrees in Durban, and a few thunderstorms likely here over Kokstad, the Drakensberg, as well as likely to reach Pietermaritzburg. In Mpumalanga, it's cloudy at first with drizzle likely along the escarpment, and then later, after a hot day, a few thunderstorms possibly moving over Secunda as well as Standerton. Cloudy at first with foggy patches along the escarpment and drizzle in Thohoyandou as well as Zanin. A sunny and hot day for the Bushveld. Temperatures yet again soaring above 30 degrees in northwest, with also a 30% chance of thunderstorms on Friday from the afternoon. Moving to the Northern Cape, where it's going to be a mainly sunny and a dry day with westerly winds picking up. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires in the Karoo, but a few isolated thunderstorms likely over the extreme northeastern areas. And after another warm to very warm day, a few of those thunderstorms will move over parts of the Free State, becoming scattered in the vicinity of Harry Smith. In Gauteng, 30 in Johannesburg, 32 in Pretoria, with only a 30% chance of a few thunderstorms developing from the afternoon. Here's your weekend weather forecast. As mentioned on Saturday, that cold front making landfall, spreading showers over the coastal areas of the Western Eastern Cape, later reaching KwaZulu-Natal. And then into Sunday, it's dry and hot in the Northern Cape as well as the Karoo, with the possibility of thunderstorms a little bit more eastwards and now spreading over Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.